Loyalty is tested in the trenches where words don't hold. Faith measured by the steps you take, not stories told. Betrayal cut sharp, but clarity comes from the fire. Yahuwah mows the faithful, teaching what we most desire. Yeah. I've seen loyalty lost where promises crack like glass. Actions prove the heart, words are cheap, they never last. Stood in rooms where smiles hit knives and envy walked past. Had to learn discernment quick, so my soul without loss. Every trial sharpened focus, every scar taught the plan. Betrayal taught precision, gave me strength to understand. Not all hands offer help, some weighed heavy with intent. Yahuwah showed direction when the world refused to relent. I built a code around my spirit, fortified by pain. Every step measured by truth, nothing lived in vain. I walked in circles once polluted by lies and deceit. Now my past live by wisdom, every move deliberate, complete. Loyalty in action, not a phrase to recite. The faithful stand unwavering, walking straight in his light. Loyalty ain't spoken, it's proven in every fight. Betrayal clears the fog and teaches what is right. Actions are the scripture, living words in motion. Faithful hearts move mountains with Yahuwah's devotion. See through every mask, every fault and that extends. Discern a loyal few from the ones who pretend. This is guidance for the weary, direction for the lost. Loyalty is action, that's the price, that's the cost. Yeah. I learned patience in the chaos, discernment in the storm. Yahuwah gave the vision while the world conformed. People smiling at your back while plotting in the night. Only action proves allegiance, only truth gives sight. Every betrayal I endure, rewire my mind for clarity. No illusions left to sway me, only divine authority. I measure trust by deeds, by sweat, by how they show. Not by words they whisper or the smiles they throw. Those who stood when it was hardest are etched in my frame. Their loyalty unbroken, their courage feeds my flame. Betrayal sharpened senses gave me eyes for the real. Every false hand exposed every hidden motive I feel. Now I navigate the world with armor forged in trial. Walking steady with Yahuwah, moving righteous every mile. I extend my hand to few, because few are true. Those who stay when storms rise, their faith is proof. Loyalty is tested by adversity, not the calm. Only action speaks the language of the faithful psalm. Felt deception, seen friendship crumble and fall. Yahuwah taught endurance, gave wisdom to stand tall. Every choice, every step aligned to what he commands. I move with clarity, the faithful understand. I speak for the lost who need direction in pain. Show them loyalty's measure is action, not the name. Betrayal teaches lessons no words could ever teach. Actions carve the path that Yahuwah's hand will reach. Let your deeds reflect truth, let your heart stay aligned. Faithful in the storm, loyal to the one divine. Let the lessons settle deep inside your chest. From betrayal rose the roadmap, every step a manifest. Yahuwah guides the faithful, every hand that's true. Loyalty in action, that's the path he sets for you.
Yeah. I feel like he had too many wraps on it or something.
I didn't think it was going to do that.
I thought it was going to also. I don't think he understood what it was trying to do. I don't think he let it down at all, that's why. Because he held on until it popped off, and that's why I shot back, as opposed to just letting it peel down like he should have. But it's all right.
Yeah. Every scar's a scripture, every loss a sermon. Love the lessons. Ain't no life that's better. Love your pain and pressure. Every wounded treasure. Storm before the weather. Ain't no life that's better. Measure joy in effort. Even when it's severed. clever. Grew from hunger pains, now my spirit breakfast. Dreams of diamond chains, but my world more precious. Mama prayed for rain, then the rain got restless. Pops with shadow play, silhouette lessons. Drafted from the dirt, I'm the son of gravel. Every loss a perk on this uphill battle. Mirror cracking thirds, I reframe the shatter. Heart to metronome, my thoughts all scatter. Ghetto songs, hum soft, holy pain and phrases. Turning wounds to gold like I'm alchemy mages. Built a throne from bronze, now the crown feels normal. Born to bend the form to the truth sounds formal. Ain't no life that's better. Love your pain and pressure. Every wound a treasure. Storm before the weather. Ain't no life that's better. Measure joy in effort, even when it's ever. Love your lesser. Clever. Money bought no peace, just receipts of sorrow. Time the only lease that we can't borrow. Pay my sober drink, sip it slow, no chaser. Every scar distinct, yeah, it cut my paper. Heard the preacher speak about the grace and stumbles. Found my faith in streets where the halos rumble. Dreams in duffel bags, souls in pawn shop hop. Still we trade our worth for a chain and watch. Love ain't like it's labor forced through every setback. Though my heart with layers concrete, can't forget that. Every note was supposed to be your own key maker. Every tear was proof that the truth is greater. Love to fight that force you, don't resent the training. Paint the paint that draws you, beauty in a straining. Hearts don't be for trophies, they be for revival. Lessons turn to songs when they crush your idol. Ain't no life that's better. Love your pain and pressure. Every moment a treasure. Storm before the weather. Ain't no life that's better. Measure joy in effort, even when it's ever. Love your lesser, clever. I done drowned in doubt, now I surf the silence. Fake the subtle shout through the noise and violence. Every loss I count like it's blessed arithmetic. Turn my doubts to clout through the pains of statics. Slept inside my dreams till my mind grew taller. Now I'm speaking schemes where the rhymes are scholar. Every line of prayer laced in coded scripture. Soul to frame, but the truth's the picture. Gotta love your flaws, that's the sound of healing. Every scar applause for the inner ceiling. Ain't no one so gone, now it's now or never. Find your truth in dawn through the dark endeavor, yeah. Every heartbreak architecting my peace. No such thing as better. Only being complete. Love the lesson. I don't do no traditions. I wasn't present at inception. Ain't no way I'm participating. Trust I know the implications, but when it's all said and done, heaven and hell ain't got no visitation. Please just judge me on my actions. Give me strength to fight distractions. Let me see me how you see me in my reflections. Help me to recognize deceptions, lest I repeat and eat these lessons. Faith is the fulcrum and truth is the torque that set the soul's architecture in motion. Faith is the frame aligning my will. Prayer suspends me when gravity pulls. Christ is the core where purpose resides. Raise the shield when the night gets darker. Stand in the fire with the weight on your shoulders. Angels align when the faithful get bolder. Light cuts the dark like a war-sent soldier. Spirit the fulcrum that balances loads. Wisdom reflects every scheme I decode. Faith links my steps with purpose untold. Truth shades my path through the valleys of cold. Hope counters chaos, restores my resonance. Grace braces my faults with perfect cadence. Peace steadies my stance when darkness presses. Light pre-calibrates shadows, excesses. Courage locks in underweight at the moment. Calling arcs adjust my trajectory. Potent virtue vectors oppose corruption's force. Inside aligns my vision along heaven's course. Purpose prevents collapse and the limitation. Mercy lifts me from guilt's gravitation. Vision scaffolds the future informed. Christ anchors the soul in unbreakable norm. Faith is the brace that the trials can't conquer. Christ is the king, every foe gets folded. Walk in his name till the last page is closed. Grace is the forge making broken men bolder. So structured in holy mechanics. Faith, tinsel, resisting all panic. Word is the fulcrum that guides every form. Voice corrects distortion, rebukes every storm. Graceless my fall from steep inclines. Peace nullifies chaos that constant defines. Love is the joy in enduring all tension. Wisdom at valleys, restoring ascension. Mercy beams withstand every past fall. Light reduces shadows, the dark cannot hold. Justice writes arcs, the flesh tries to bend. Sovereignty sets constants that never end. Presence braces strikes from Charles' design. Truth expands the mind, past limits confine. Glory binds every promise, intention. Spirit holds all in eternal dimension. When the storm surrounds me, I stay. When the shadows doubt me, when the night bends my frame, peace off the board. When deception strikes, I see. When the weight breaks posture, not for sale. The architect fights beside me. Will never fracture. I walk in eternal victory. Judging my chest, I plead the Christ. I walk in eternal victory. Cross on my back, still striding the step. In each and every one of your tracks. Storms on my name, I sign the seal. Truth in my teeth, I bite through lies. Peace holds my place. They can't appeal. I'm cool, calm, and collected. Eclectic isn't understated. Talk is cheap, and cheaters are a dime a dozen. Never will I ever trade my peace or sell my soul for money. Calm ain't an act, this year's a war. Prayers like pistons press the core. Habits got headed, heart grew short. Devils got dusted, doors got shut. Losses were lessons, lives got cut. Cold in the chains, my soul stay warm. Glass on my eyes, I face the swarm. Breathe and I bear my proof in court. Peace off the board, not posted price. Posted price. Soul not for sale, no terms, no vice. Terms, no vice. Calm in the crash, I read the lights. Read the light. Judging my chest, I plead the Christ. Bars ain't just beats, they build my case. Wounds on my back, not wasted pain. Scars spell a map, I walk the lane. Calm on the stand, they break in vain. Truth asks the questions, lies get weak. God is my counsel, peace my plea. Judgment was just my shame, got stayed. Ledger went clean, the debt was paid. I don't do deals that cost my breath. I won't trade peace to pretend bliss. Flesh wants a throne, I break that chair. Spirit say stand, I keep it there. I pay a hits hard when words are few. Tears do the talk, the heavens move. Calm is in cold, battle proof. Peace is the edge I draw to you. Peace off the board, not posted price. Peace off the board, not posted price. Soul not for sale, no terms, no vice. Oh, no turn, no vice. Calm in the crash, I read the lights. Read the lights. Oh no, judging my chest, I plead the Christ. Name for my girl, stay safe and stone. Boundaries built, not walls just thrown. Work over words, let fruit be shown. Crowns don't impress, I place mine down. Glorious guys, I guard this sound. Verses of vows, I keep them true. Grace has a grip that pulls me through. Heart on my flesh brings holy fruit. Eyes on the path, no side trips, man. Lies in the air, I don't inhale. Bread in the wild, he fed me twice. Heart like a safe, no stolen vice. Hand on the plow, no looking back. Step after step, the course stays black. Night in my chest, get cuts that pitch. Grit with his grace, we flip the script. Peace off the board, not posted price. Soul not for sale, no terms, no vice.